Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to pair your Apple Watch Series 9 with your iPhone. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we need to check our phone if it's compatible with this watch. So, we need to open Settings on your phone and click on this tab named General. After this, click on this tab About and check the iOS version. It should be higher than 17. If it's 16 or lower, you would need to update the software on your phone. And the next step is that we need to check if the Bluetooth is turned on. As you can see, mine is. Now we can start with the watch. So, as a first step, we need to turn them on by holding this button right here. After this, you can see the Apple logo appear on the screen, and that means that watch is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. After our watch have turned on, you can see this message on the screen: bring your iPhone near this watch. So let's do it. After this, you can see appear on the screen of your phone Apple Watch and use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. We click continue and wait a few seconds. Now we click allow or don't allow if you want to get the notifications from the watch application, and click set up for myself. Now we need to hold the Apple Watch up to camera like this. And now you can see this message that your Apple Watch is paired. We click on set up Apple Watch. Now choose your wrist preference if you are wearing your watch on the left wrist or on the right. I will choose right and click continue. After this, choose the digital crown orientation. If it be more comfortable of you, if it be on the top or on the bottom. I will choose the right one and click continue. And now we wait until our Apple Watch will connect to our phone fully. After the load screen disappeared, you can see this message on your phone, which is saying if you want to help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your Apple Watch. You can choose share with Apple or pick don't share. I will pick the second option, and now the Apple suggests us if we want to set up a passcode on our Apple Watch, so you can be sure that your watch is protected and secure. You have three options right here. Create a passcode, add a long passcode, or don't add passcode at all. I will choose the third option and click don't use passcode. Now we would need to choose the bold text and font size on your watch. You can also see a demonstration on your watch, and when you make a change, you will also see it on your watch. For example, I will turn on the bold text and make the font a little smaller, and you can see how it will look on your watch. So, after you have set it up, click continue and click OK. As a next step, we see this screen personalize fitness and health by adding information about your date of birth, sex, height, weight, and also you can enable this wheelchair function if you are in a wheelchair. After you are done, click continue, and now the Apple suggests us if we want to add some information about our health, for example, consuming calories per day, or if we want to track our exercise, but I will choose not now. Also, you can see the screen workout road tracking. If you want to enable it or disable it, it will be really useful for people who likes to run every day or just walk as a exercise. I will choose disable this function and continue. Click continue and click continue also. After this, you can see this message on your phone, which is saying welcome to Apple Watch, which means that we have successfully completed the setup. We click OK, and now you can see on your phone settings of your watch, and also you can start using your Apple Watch, and you can see also the update was complete. We click OK. After we have completed the setup on our phone, now we would need to do one more on your watch. So we click start and learn how to navigate Apple Watch. So press the digital crown to see your apps, like this. Then press the digital crown to return to your watch face. Press the side button to open the control center. Press the side button to close the control center. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. And welcome to Apple Watch. My congratulations, you have completely done 2 setups, one on your phone, one on your watch, and you can finally start using your Apple Watch. And that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.